Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this pine cone. Let's open a new document. Here are the colors I will be using. Let's change the fill and the stroke to dark brown. First, we will create several different scales. Select one of the drawing tools and let's create the first scale. Now draw another shape on top. This will be a tip of the scale. Let's change its color to light brown. Select both shapes and then go to the Shape Builder tool. Press and hold down the Alt key and then click on the outside shape to delete it. Make sure both shapes are selected and let's group them together. Next, change the fill back to dark brown and let's create more scales. If you would like to trace the same scales as mine, feel free to download this file. I've included a link to it in the description. I'm going to speed up this video, but you should take as much time as you need. Let's select all shapes, resize them and move them to the side. Next, we will draw an outline of a pine cone. Set the fill to none and change the stroke to a different color. Switch to the ellipse tool and draw a big oval. Next, select the anchor point tool. Click on the top anchor point, hold and drag. And do the same with the bottom anchor point. Switch to the Direct Selection tool and select these two middle anchor points. Now click on one of them, hold and drag it down. Open the sublayers of layer 1 and lock this shape. Click on the first shape, hold and drag it to the top. While you are dragging it, press and hold down the Alt key to make a copy. Copy the next shape and place it below so it overlaps the first one. Let's rotate it and adjust its position. Copy another shape and place it on the opposite side. Move and rotate the shapes so there is no wide gaps in the middle. Let's copy another shape, place it in the middle, and if you wish, adjust the size or the path. To create a mirrored image of a scale, first create a copy and then press the letter O for the Reflect tool. Now hit Enter, set the axis to the vertical position and click OK. Let's copy this shape and place it over here to overlap the last shape. And again, let's place this one here and bring it to the front to overlap the middle shape. To bring a shape to the front or back, first make sure the shape is selected and then use the keyboard shortcuts. Copy another shape and place it on top of this one. Another way to bring a shape to the front or back is to right-click, choose Arrange and pick one of these options. Now keep building the rows of scales to form a pine cone. Finally, turn off the outline layer, delete the remaining shapes and add a little stem at the bottom. To resize our design and keep its proportion, first press the Ctrl and K keys on your keyboard to open the Preferences window and make sure the Scale Strokes and Effects option is checked. Thanks for watching, bye bye.